In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Canva. If you use more than one Canva account, knowing how to switch between them can save you time and make it much easier to keep your personal, work, or team projects organized. The good news is that Canva makes this process pretty simple once you know where to look. To get started, open Canva and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main Canva screen, look toward the lower left section of the page. In that area, you'll see your profile image. Go ahead and click on it. This is where Canva keeps account-related options, so if you ever need to manage your profile or move between accounts, this is the place to begin. After clicking your profile image, move your mouse over the Accounts option. When you hover over it, Canva will display the accounts that are already connected or available for switching. Take a moment to look through the list, then click on the account you want to switch into. Canva should then move you into that selected account, letting you continue working in the correct workspace. This is especially helpful if you manage different brands, clients, or teams, because it allows you to jump into the right account without having to sign out manually each time. Just make sure you select the correct account before starting a new design, so your work is saved in the right place. If the account you want is not listed, you can add another one directly from the same menu. To do that, click on Add Another Account. This will open the sign-in options Canva provides for connecting a new account. At this point, choose the sign-in method you want to use. Depending on your setup, you may see options such as signing in with Google, Facebook, email, or other available methods. Select the option that matches the account you want to add, then follow the prompts on screen to complete the sign-in process. Once that's done, the new account should be available in your account list, making it easier to switch back and forth whenever you need to. If you regularly use multiple accounts, this can make your workflow much smoother and help you avoid confusion while working on different projects. And that's how to switch accounts in Canva quickly and easily.